si Colonel Lachica ba as a security officer, isang accountable officer?
Argumentative, Your
No,
Honor,
Your
and
Honor.
asked
Witness
and
will answer.
answered.
Witness will answer. It's a valid point.
Dili siya accountable, Your Honor, pero siya ang gihatagan o gihatagan siya ni Vice President Sara Duterte as security officer, Your Honor, na siya ang mag-implement sa mga confidential activities sa grounds, Your Honor. Pero ako paghihapon ang accountable officer, Your Honor.
All right.
On this point, Counsel, ma'am, may dokumento po ba kayo na nagpapakita na in-appoint ni Vice President Duterte si Colonel Lachica bilang security officer at na siya ang mag-i-implement ng confidential fund? O
Meron-
verbal lang po yun?
Meron pong black and white papel po, Your Honor.
May
Na-
office order po?
Yes, office, Your Honor. Tama po, Your Honor.
May
Sorry po.
kopya po ba kayo nun?
Wala akong kopya, Honor, pero sa office meron.
Okay.
Okay,
Counsel,
let me
your witness.
proceed. So, between you and Colonel